Do you think a vegan diet is better for a transplanted person?
It depends if you have enough protein. There are protein in beans and the other elements, but I think that the
most important is a balanced diet.
Yeah.
But it's not better. It's not better. I think that's very important.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to for whatever reasons use a vegan diet, I think it's not forbidden, but they have to be careful that they have all, let's say, not missing something, some distinct vitamins. So it can be dangerous. It's not forbidden, but it's definitely not better. That's, I think.
Yeah, no, the most important is healthy and balanced, I think, right? Another one on diet. Perhaps a balanced keto diet or a Mediterranean diet might be better because you're more at risk of diabetes after a transplant because I've now got diabetes type 2. Heine, I can see you're nodding. What do you think of that?
A clear yes. That's a short answer. A clear yes.
Okay, so there you go. Thank you. That was a quick, short and good answer.
This is always my last slide in all of my presentations, and this comes back to nutrition. Keep in mind that coffee consumption is good for the liver, and it's also after liver transplantation. There's data.
Without sugar.
Without sugar, that's very important.
Yes.
And, but the great thing is that the beneficial effect of coffee on the liver, it's a dose-dependent effect. And it's filtered coffee. It's not necessarily the espresso. The filtered coffee, and then you have this important effect.